Alright, so now what we want our first program to do is just to print out hello AlphaTech message to our screen. So then once we hit the run button, this program, this AlphaTech message will be, boom, just printed out on our screen. And to do so, we will first of all clean everything out of here and start with a blank page, okay? Now I want you to simply write the following lines of code together with me. First of all, we will include the standard input-output functionality to our program by including the stdio.h. And now we have our entry point, which is int main, and then we use the curly brackets, and here are going to be the commands of this block, all right? And the first command that we would like to use is simply a command that will take some text and put it out on the screen as we wanted it to. So this command in C language is called printf. And in C language, the way that we ask a computer to print out a sentence to our screen is done by using this function, this printf function. So simply saying if we wanted to print a sentence of hello world or hello AlphaTech, it would be done using these parentheses, and then all of the text that we want to be displayed on the screen will be placed under these quotation marks. For example, we can just use hello world message here, and at the end we should also add a semicolon, and then we should also use the return 0, right, which we introduced previously. And now we can run this program, build and run, and then let's see what, oh, here is our message, hello world, just on the console application, exactly as we can see in the printf command. This is the text to be displayed on the screen. Leave it aside for now, this process return 0 and the execution time, we'll discuss it later on. But for now, that's looking good, right? And we were asked to print out a hello AlphaTech message, so let's just remove this one, hello AlphaTech as requested. And I just want to show you guys that it doesn't matter what text you put in these quotation marks. It can be hello world, hello AlphaTech, or whatever other text that you are going to use in the next challenges, in the next exercises. So let's try to run and to build and run it. All right, so there you go. Here is your message, hello AlphaTech. Good job, guys. And one thing to mention here that I want to tell you is that in these quotation marks we specify the exact text, or better say string, that we want to be displayed on our screen. And the exact text in this case is hello AlphaTech that appears between these quotation marks. And also you don't have just to use words, you may also use numbers, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then press on build and run, and then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 just on the console application as you expected. Also, don't forget to add this return 0 thing, because it simply specifies to the operating system that the program has terminated successfully. So to summarize what we've done here so far, we simply use the printf command, the printf function, to display some text on the console application screen. And that's very important to understand, because in this course all of our printed results are going to be seen on this console application screen, on this guy, okay? All of the results are going to be seen here, and also we'll use this console application to read information, to read some data from the user, but this will be in the next section. But for now, that's okay. We'll just look at this console application as the place where we are going to print some text, some data, all right? So hopefully everything works smoothly for you so far with no unexpected bugs. But if you still got some problems, take a closer look and see if everything written as it should be, that you didn't miss any semicolon at the end of each command, maybe parentheses not written correctly, or maybe something with these curly brackets. And if you still can't find why it's not working, please check out the FAQ section. Maybe somebody already asked a similar question. And now let's get back to the hello message we used previously. Hello AlphaTech, alright. And if we run it, we can see in the console application that there is this additional text that we don't even know where it came from. This text is a default text that you're going to see a lot, and you would like to keep some distance between this not so necessary text to your real output, in this case the hello message. And to do so, you would like to do some sort of hitting the enter button right here just before this default text starts, right? So you can get one line down. So luckily for us, we can do that programmatically. We can change or basically specify getting one line down by using the \n notation within the printf command. So it will look something like this. Let's add a new line here, so we'll just add \n. And now if we go and run and build and run this application we've created, we will simply see that there is a new line added separating between the real text that interests us to this default information displayed on the console application. Great, and basically you may add also this \n wherever you wanted it in your text. So for example, you may add \n right after every word in the text here in the hello alpha tag, and try to print out something like this. Let's go it this way. All right. And now if we'll run it, we will see that every word is printed in a different line. So here, hello alpha tag. And this space is because we just specified the \n right here. If we move it a little bit to here, right? So we don't give it an option to start a new line with a space and \n after this guy. All right, let's try to run it once again. And there you go. You can see the hello and alpha and tag. Everyone is specified in a new line, the hello, just by using this \n guy. And now we can say congratulations for writing your first program. Now let's practice that knowledge with different cool exercises, different cool challenges that will help you to improve your skills.